fire. Talk about the fire. Fire. Talk about the fire. Talk about the fire. Talk about the fire. Let's go. I see people that doing things and they say they doing so hot, but still over here just got the black hot, but they still wanna go to the top because they over there so red hot. Could they say they on fire? But still I'm over here doing my thing when I see that straight fire. Say fire. I'm talking about the fire. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I said the fire. We talking about the fire. But sometimes people say they're really cold and they need a little heat. I'm coming over here with the fire now, and I pass it in the street. So you can be warm, I can warm you up, and I warm you with my words. I got that energy today, and that's just what I heard. Set the fire. Talk about the fire. Talk about the fire. Talk about the fire. Now that you warm, that you looking at me, and you wanna go say thank you. Cause you said you was freaking so bad, and you didn't know what to do. You didn't even have the proper thing, but still you was getting so cold. Just need a little heat from the fire from me, and you know that fire is gold. Set the fire. Talk about the fire. Set the fire. Set the fire. Let's go, let's go. So when I know that I'm doing this, and I'm doing when I got the fire. The people talk about that fire now, that when I wanna go and start on ya. I'm starting on you, and I'm starting on everything because I'm feeling so hot. I'm starting talking about everything, and you said this is what is not. Said now that it's not, and it's not about me, but I say I'm hot as whoa. But still I'm over here, they got so mad, and they kicked me out of their show. They said, what about the other people? You said you still in that life. Cause I'm over here just hotter than hell, but still I feel alright. Set the fire. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Set the fire. Talk about the fire. Talk about the fire. Some people saying that they're getting too hot, so they wanna go jump in the pool. But don't get credit, cause it will get hot and maybe it will burn you. But still I say that I'm keeping it real, cause I say I'm on fire. So everybody, I'm saying about you, and you also on fire. Talk about the fire. Alright. Talk about the fire. Oh, we're on fire. Set fire. Let's cool it down. But now that when we were on fire, and the fire in our soul, the people saying I'm doing my thing, and I want you to go grow. So if you need that heat today, and go and let it shine. But yes, I'm over here today. You know I do not mind. I want to share my heat with you. I keep that body tight. So when we over here today, and I know you feel alright. So when I send this thing for you, the end you send it to me. So thank you for sharing all your heat, and you can join that beat. Set fire. Talk about the fire. Talk about the fire. Talk about the fire. Oh, we on fire.